In 2025, relationships continue to evolve with technology, changing social norms, and increasing demands on time. To build a strong and lasting partnership, couples must focus on effective communication. Open and honest conversations help prevent misunderstandings, while active listening ensures both partners feel heard. With the rise of digital communication, setting boundaries around screen time and prioritizing face-to-face interactions will remain essential for emotional intimacy. Another key factor is trust and transparency. In an era where social media and online interactions can create insecurities, being truthful and reliable strengthens the foundation of a relationship. Partners should discuss their expectations around privacy, social media use, and friendships outside the relationship to avoid conflicts. Building trust also means being accountable for mistakes and working together to rebuild confidence when needed. Emotional support and empathy are more important than ever in 2025. With increasing stressors like work pressures, financial instability, and global uncertainties, couples must be each other's safe space. Practicing empathy, understanding each other's feelings without judgment, creates a deeper connection. Small gestures of appreciation and reassurance can go a long way in maintaining a loving and supportive bond. Shared goals and values help align a couple's vision for the future. Whether it's career aspirations, family planning, or lifestyle choices, being on the same page reduces conflicts. Regular check-ins about personal and relationship goals ensure both partners grow together rather than apart. Flexibility and compromise are also crucial, as individual ambitions may shift over time. Lastly, maintaining romance and intimacy keeps the relationship vibrant. In a fast-paced world, couples must intentionally make time for date nights, physical affection, and emotional closeness. Exploring new experiences together, whether through travel, hobbies, or simply trying something new, reignites passion. Balancing independence with togetherness ensures that both partners feel fulfilled individually and as a unit. Ultimately, successful relationships in 2025 will depend on adaptability, mutual respect, and continuous effort. By prioritizing communication, trust, emotional support, shared goals, and intimacy, couples can navigate modern challenges and build a lasting, fulfilling partnership. If you enjoy this content, please give us a like, comment, and subscribe for more. Thank you, and see you in the next video.